channel where I post on the daily about TikTok tutorials and more. I might change my YouTube name soon, so be prepared for that. I know I have 0 subscribers. It's because I started my account not even yesterday. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I did one of my best transitions, like heart clap, skip a beat, count 1, 2, 3, and sorry, my room is quite a mess, and my mom's room is quite a mess, and I film a little bit in there, like the beginning where I go heart clap, skip a beat, count 1, 2, 3. So let's get right into this video. Wait, before we start, you need to find the sound that you want to use. I'm going to be using heart clap, skip a beat. I remember, and you do too. And here are some transitions you can use. Okay, here's me, and if you can notice, I put this in 2 times speed because I just figured out how to do it, and I hope you liked my new intro, and just follow everything I do. I'm going to play some music, and also, if you don't have 2 devices, like I don't have 2 devices in this one because my sister wasn't there, and last time I used her phone, so I showed you guys something else to do if you don't have any 2 devices, so be patient and wait for that. It's coming up soon. This is a while. It took me a while to get it right, but enjoy and listen to some music, because yes, it is possible to get some music without playing it throughout the whole entire clips. So I'm going to play some nice music, or just some music in general. So enjoy this like minute of transitions and take notes or whatever. So yeah, bye. And well, not bye, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to tell you what to do. If you do have another device, you will hold the position, and you wouldn't hold it. You would get the other device and put it like under the other device, not under it, like really close to it, and then get on the picture, and then go on the time thing, like, and say like 10 seconds, and then film the thing, hold it, and let it take the picture, and then you like send it to your other phone, or wait, no, and then you go into that, and then you go out of it, and it shows the phone, then take a picture of it out like that, and send it to the device, and then show that again, and then go to the side, and do, yeah, and just continue. So, sorry. Sorry, I literally had like Tourette's or something. Okay, I'll rate that. Now that that's done, it took me forever. And it's not exactly like it, but transitions were still pretty well. I did not have a second device, as you could have heard me say in the voiceover. Oops, my hair. I don't have a second device, like I did that when I filmed that. I had another phone, my sister's phone, but she's not here. So I don't have it. So I just improvised and jumped up with my bell collection. This is one of a kind. They only made that once in the whole world. Sorry. And that. So yeah, I'm just gonna play the final. This is more of a short video. It's probably only gonna be like 3 minutes or so, not 4. Little did you know, this video is over 7 minutes. So, oops. It's not gonna be that long. So, here is the final project.
Hot that we skip a beat, count 1, 2, 3. Won't you slide the music there into it? Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me?
Oh, and if you notice, this time I had an intro. Comment down below if you liked it, and I'm going to change it pretty soon. I am going to work on an outro. There might be an outro on this video. I don't know though. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys liked my transitions. Remember, I'm best, I'm not a pro, nowhere near a pro. So just comment down below what you want me to do next, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.